Did you know that you might just qualify for $100 million in business funding? Well, if you want to know more, you have to wait until the end, my friend. What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. So go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link next to WeBull, and collect your 12 free stocks. I'm not sure exactly where you are on your business journey, but when I started out, my main priority was to obtain business funding because I understood that it was better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So I went on to acquire business credit cards. But in order to obtain those, you have to have at least a 680 FICO score and very few derogatory marks reflecting on your credit report. And I know that this is something that's preventing a lot of small business owners from obtaining capital to fund their business. But hold up, wait, you don't have to worry because I have a solution that's going to resolve all of that pollution. Today I'm partnering with NBC.
From NBC News.
Hold up, slow your roll. I'm not talking about the news. National Business Capital. They have a wide variety of products tailored to your every need. And since these products are revenue based, they don't require a hard pull. However, there will be a soft pull on your credit report because some of the products have a minimum FICO requirement. And the time in business ranges from 6 months to 2 years, depending on the product you'd like to obtain. If you'd like to see how much you qualify for, go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link, and follow me. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Once you scroll down, you're going to click the link underneath National Business Capital. It's going to direct you to this page, and it's going to ask you how much do you need. And I'm going to put 10 million because I'm going to go big or go home. And then it's going to ask you what are you using the money for, and there's a plethora of different options. Are you going to buy out a partner, expansion, marketing, purchase a business, real estate, working capital, equipment, finance, accounts receivable, payroll, purchase a franchise, start a business, other? I'm going to click purchase a franchise. What's the most important to you? Amount of funds, speed of funds, cost of funds. I'm going to click amount of funds. And then how fast do you need the money? I'm going to say within a week. How long have you been in business? Answer this question correctly. I'm going to say 3 to 4 years, but you can also say looking to acquire a business or haven't started my business yet. Average monthly sales, and this is the gross sales that we are referring to here. So click the one that pertains to your business. And then it's going to ask you for your personal credit score. And we know that I'm above 720, but I'm going to go ahead and say below 600. Next, business industry. And there is a ton of different industries to choose from. And as you can see, cannabis is on the list as well. So if you're in that industry, don't be afraid to apply. My industry is e-commerce, and I'm going to let you guys go from here. All you have to do is complete the rest of the steps, and a representative will be reaching out to you, or you'll receive an email. As I mentioned earlier, this financial institution has a wide variety of products, and here they are. Equipment financing, top industries, construction, restaurants, medical, trucking and trailers, manufacturing. Unique benefits, 5 million max funded amounts, 1 to 5 year terms. Rates start at 7%. 100% financing available, purchasing and leasing options, vendor and private sales. Qualifications, 1 year time in business, 550 FICO score or better, business bank accounts required, invoice required. Woman empowerment loan. Top industries, food and beverages, retail, medical and healthcare, salon and spa, restaurant. Unique benefits, same day funding available, all industries, 6 to 24 month terms available, up to 5 million funded amount, flexible terms, qualifications, 1 year time in business, 6 month time in business if depositing over 50,000 per month, 40,000 deposited monthly in business bank account, or 500,000 annual sales. No minimum FICO score. SBA loan, top industries, retail, food and beverages, assisted living, childcare, auto repair. Unique benefits, 5 million max funded amount, approvals 1 to 5 days, funding 4 to 10 weeks. SBA 7A, 10-year terms. SBA 504, 25-year terms. Rate, prime plus 1% to 2.75%. Monthly payments, no prepayment penalties. Reports to Business Credit Bureau. Qualification, 2 year time in business, 660 FICO score or better, $40,000 deposited monthly in business bank account or $500,000 annual sales. No bankruptcies, liens, or foreclosures in the last 3 years. Financing for healthcare. Top industries: doctors, dentists, pharmacists, nurse. Unique benefits. Owning a practice is not a requirement. Low rates and long terms. Available to most licensed medical professionals. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, 6 months time in business if depositing over $50,000 per month. $40,000 deposited monthly in business bank accounts or $500,000 annual sales. No minimum FICO score. Business line of credit. Top industries: construction, medical, manufacturing, wholesale distribution, e-commerce. Unique benefits: 750,000 max line of credit, approved amount based on cash flow, same day funding available, only pay for what you use, weekly, monthly payments, true revolver. Each payment frees up additional available funds. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, 600 FICO score or better, $500,000 annual sales or 40,000 deposit monthly. Business bank account. Canna business financing. Top industries: biotechnology, cultivation, growing and farming, hemp and CBD products, consumption devices, marketing and business development. Unique benefits: get funding fast without losing equity. Unsecured solution available. No industry restrictions. No usage restriction. Use funds to purchase inventory, open new location, or hire staff. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, 6 months time in business if depositing over $50,000 per month. 40,000 deposited monthly in business bank account or $500,000 annual sales. No minimum FICO score. Subordinate debt financing. Top industries: food and beverage, e-commerce, transportation, wholesale distribution, manufacturing. Unique benefits: 10 million max funded amount, 1 to 2 year terms, approved amount based on cash flow, rates starting at 15% up to 24%, rates starting at 15% up to 24-month terms, subordinate second lien behind senior lender. No collateral coverage, no equity, no warrants, no covenants. No collateral coverage, no equity, no warrants, and no covenants. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, 600 FICO score or better, 1 million in annual sales. Veterans business loan. Top industries: construction, retail, health and wellness, food and beverage, wholesale distribution. Unique benefits: same day funding available, all industries, 6 to 24-month terms available, up to 5 million funded amount, flexible terms. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, 6 months time in business if depositing over $50,000 per month, 40,000 deposited monthly in business bank accounts or $500,000 annual sales. No minimum FICO score. Business term loans. Top industries: retail, medical, food and beverage, technology, auto repair. Unique benefits: 10 million max funded amount, 1 to 2 year terms, weekly, monthly payments, no payment penalties, refinance up to 2 loans, could report to business credit, refinance up to 2 merchant cash advances. Qualification: 2 year time in business, 600 FICO score or better, $500,000 annual sales or 40,000 deposited monthly. Business bank account. Business advance. Business advance. Top industries: construction, medical, food and beverage, auto repair, retail. Unique benefits: 10 million max funded amount, approved amount based on cash flow, same day funding available, 6 to 24-month terms available, daily, weekly, monthly payments, early payoff discount available. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, no minimum FICO score, $500,000 annual sales or 40,000 deposited monthly. Business bank account. Inventory line of credit. Top industries: e-commerce, wholesale distribution, manufacturing, technology, medical and healthcare. Unique benefits: facility size 100,000 to 10 million. Revolving line of credit. Line of credit amount fluctuates as inventory fluctuates up and down. Rate starting at prime plus 2%, up to 85% financing of inventory liquidation value. 7+ days application to funding. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, no minimum FICO score, 1 million in annual sales, 1 million in current inventory. Accounts receivable line of credit. Top industries: manufacturing, staffing, wholesale distribution, energy, technology. Unique benefits: facility size 100,000 to $100 million. Revolving line of credit. Line of credit amount fluctuates as outstanding accounts receivable fluctuates. Rate starting at prime plus 2%, up to 95% financing of current accounts receivable. 7+ days application to funding. Qualifications: 1 year time in business, no minimum FICO score, 1 million in annual sales, $100,000 or more in accounts receivable on short terms. As you can see, if you have a problem, they have a product to solve it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time. And make sure you build your foundation so that you're no longer stuck on a plantation.